Hello, hi viewers, how are you all? This is my cotton crops. I got 4 tons cotton from my 5 acre fields. Cotton fields, very long. Like, do you look at this? My beautiful cotton. So beautiful, very nice cotton crops. This is a last period, and after this, I will cut my cotton farm. And November, upcoming month, November, I will now build a new my crop in wheat. This is doing. This is my own doing. Friends, subscribe now my channel for all about farming videos, farming tractors, farming cranes, farming horses, farming dogs, hawks, and many more. Subscribe now my channel, please. This is a request for you. And watch complete videos. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.